is a Hyundai here. We're going to show you how to open the hood. Right where your left foot would be, you're going to see this little release with a hood open on it. You're going to pull on that. You'll hear a pop in the front. You can go up to the front of the vehicle. And you're going to see the Hyundai symbol. You're just going to put your hand upside down, go straight in. You're going to lift up. Once that's up, you're going to see our hood holder here. We'll put that in place right there. Okay. Here's our latch. It's on the top. So that is on the hood. So you pull up and that goes back. To close, we're simply going to push up on the hood. Hold this holder. Set it back into place. We're going to bring the hood down. We're just going to set it there, make sure that safety latch. Put your hands there, push down, you'll hear it lock, and that's how you open and close the hood. This is a Hyundai. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.